Recently, Canva has introduced a series of new features, which is making using Canva a lot more fun and a lot more friendly. So I just want to give you a quick tutorial. I'm starting here. This is my home page on Canva. I do have a pro account, so I think this is only for pro accounts, but I digress. So I'm going to show you this by going into an Instagram post. I use this for a lot of things, including sliders and quote posts. And you go in here, and right over here, you will see Brand Hub. This is what is new. When I click on this, it opens up to this whole new section. We have brand templates, are my logos for my various companies, websites that I've been using, the colors for my two brands, Resume Writing and Personal Branding, and Personal Brand You. I am also able to set different fonts that I'm using and add my brand photos. I haven't done that yet, but this is a really cool new thing that allows content creators like me to save a lot of time.